After weeks of stormy snow, we finally caught a sunny day and came out to visit our new customer here in Kalamazoo. As you can see, her home is beautiful, but to better protect it, we installed one of our best solutions, gutter helmet. Snow, storms, and clogged gutters can destroy a home like this. Storms are gone, protection is on. The gutter helmet is a premium gutter protection system designed to prevent debris from entering your gutters like leaves, needles, and twigs. Reduce or eliminate the need for regular gutter cleaning by preventing buildup in the first place. Facts: the gutter helmet uses surface tension instead of screens or holes. The panel has a nose-forward reverse curve design that extends out past the gutter lip. Rainwater clings to the surface and follows the curve into the gutter, while debris cannot and simply falls to the ground. Its ribbed and textured surface increases surface tension, slows flow, and increases strength. The system directs water into gutters even in heavy rain, up to approximately 22 inches per hour, and debris simply falls off instead of clogging. Durability and weather performance. Gutter helmet.